Oh well.
Do, do, do. So I didn't count them. Yes. I'm on. You're attacking target. I don't think it's hard still. It can't be. I can see Torpor's going up a lot faster. If that's the buff they've done. Well, that's the only thing I see different is Torpor. Who? Oh yeah, you just keep. That's the one thing I see different is the Torpor. Oh. Silly bastards. Yeah, but it's I guess it just takes more, yeah, with concentration and stuff. Come on, you stupid stamina. Come on. Cock of shit. What do you want leveling? It's damage, right? Yeah, this one does. Yeah, I'm just trying to see if my button still works because I haven't used it for a bit. Yeah, it does work. Fucking can't see where I'm going with all these weapons. Come on, kill him. I'm pretty sure you can still do Alpha, it's just people, innit? They failed the first time, then it's like, oh, this boss too hard. Why does that one keep landing? What the fuck? I think that one's bug, you know, because the rest are landing like you. Come on, stamina. Yeah, I'm just getting stamina. And attacking target all the fucking time. Spamming that button. Bing bong. Done. We're so passive. Oh. What the fuck? I didn't focus. I was watching music. Shit. I'm stuck in Manticore. Stupid. Have you tried with Rexes? Alright, so. So we're going again, are you?